From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500 weekly chart. You can see we initially tried to rally during the week but have failed, and now it looks like we are going to perhaps try to race towards the 2800 level. That's a very important level, and really what I'm going to talk about in this video isn't so much the candlestick patterns, although we do have a couple of hammers, and that shows that there's significant support at 2800, and why wouldn't there be? There's been support and resistance before. It's a round number, so there's plenty of reasons to recognize that as important. But one thing that far too few traders pay attention to is the fact that momentum seems to be waning. A line chart really looks more like that, and that tells me that the buyers are starting to run out of steam. You get the impression that after the Jerome Powell speech, it's only going to take like a kick to knock this thing over. The Chinese have upped the ante a little bit, or retaliated against U.S. tariffs. Now Trump is tweeting that U.S. companies need to find alternatives to China, which I think is going to happen in the long run, but there's going to be some pain in the process. So at this point, I think it's easier to sell, but we need to clear the 2800 level on a daily chart to do so on a weekly chart. If we break 2950, then I think we're going to the highs.